Welcome in second part of the lesson sets. In this part, we are going to learn about rules for writing a set. In first part, we learn the concept of sets, in which what is a group of collection called as a set is learnt. In this part, we will learn the rules for writing a set. The first rule is here. Look, name of a set is written in capital letters. For example, A, B, C, etc. So the first important rule, name of a set is written in capital letters. Second, look, elements or members of a set are written in curly brackets. Okay. So first rule, name of a set is written in capital letters. For example, A, B, C, etc. Second one, elements or members of a set are written in curly brackets. These are curly brackets. Next, the third rule, letters inside curly brackets are generally written in small letters. Okay. Fourth, elements are separated using commas. Then repeated elements are written only once. Look, letters inside curly brackets, here we can see letters inside curly brackets are generally written in small letters. Elements are separated using commas. Repeated elements are written only once. Previous rules were name of the set is written in capital letters. Elements or members of a set are written in curly brackets. These are curly brackets. Then elements are written in small letters. All elements are separated by commas, and repeated elements are written only once. Just take an example. Look, suppose we have to write a set of days of week. So using this example, we will write our set. Let's give a name to this set. Suppose we give name D, which is in capital letter, according to our first rule. Now the names of the days are in curly brackets. days are Monday, then second element is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, then Friday, then Saturday and Sunday. Curly bracket close. You can see here name of the set is written in capital letters. All elements are separated by commas and these are written in these curly brackets. Take another example. Set of letters in word proper. Okay. Suppose the name of the set is N, which is written in capital letter. Now we have to write the letters. Look here carefully. We have to write letters in the word proper. So word proper consists letters P, R, O, P, E, R. Here we can see the letter P is repeated and R is also repeated. According to our rule of writing the set, repeated elements are written only once and these are generally in small letters. So in our set N we have elements P, one letter, then R, again then O, again we have P which is repeated, so it is written only once, then E which is not repeated, and last R is also repeated, so written only once. Now close the curly bracket. So these are the rules that we have used to write a set with these two examples. Watch carefully this video, like, share, comment and subscribe the channel, and again visit our next part 3 of this video series. Thank you.